This is a quick review of this Sylvania headlight restoration kit. I've used this on several cars in my life, and it's like $20 on Amazon. You can probably get it at Walmart or elsewhere, but I've used a number of different kits, and this is my favorite. So this is the results, and if you really want to see how it looked before, you can always reference one of my previous Honda Accord videos where I do some walkarounds. These lights were not in horrible shape, and keep in mind it's very dirty all around because all the sanding from sanding off the old the surface of the lens is, it washed off onto the car, so that will happen later once this is cured. But as I was saying, they weren't horrible. They are OEM lenses. If you can see right there, you might even be able to see like some just tiny hairline interior scratches there, or I'm not sure what that is, but I sanded the heck out of it and they wouldn't come out. It could just be probably stress cracks just from age. This is about 10 years old, but these are the original Honda lights. But anyway, they were in good shape. Like I said, they were probably a 8.5 out of 10. But every time I looked at the car, I've got this car looking so good when it polishes up. And I always noticed the headlights just weren't quite like at the same level. So I took some time today and did this, and it came out really nice. I'm really, really happy with it. Of course, the hood is popped, so that's why it looks a little strange in the video, but this is a good kit. Again, it's about $20 plus tax. I've used several of them on different cars, and it took me a good hour and a half. It really, when you read the reviews of these kits, it all just comes down to how much sanding do you do. It's all in the prep. So in my case, I spent a good hour and a half, and it's typical headlight cleaner kit. If you want a real one that's, not the 5-minute wipe, but the real deal, you're going to sand this. In this case, it was 400 grit. Then, first it was an applicator, like you spray something on there, it kind of loosens it, and then you 400 sand. You sand with 1000 grit, then you sand with 2000 grit, then you sand with a compound, then you respray the applicator, then you clean it off, and then you put the UV coating on finally. So again, how much you sand will determine your results, but I'm really happy with how this came out, and thought I'd just share a brief review of this product. It's again the Sylvania I'm not going to provide a link, but you can just find this. It's pretty simple. This is like one of the more well-known kits. So there's the product number, X001S78MS7. And that's the results. So I'm super happy with it. Now the car looks like the headlights match the paint. All right, cool. Go get one and spend time with it, and it will look good. Peace. God bless you.